So, ayun nga guys. This is me vlogging until I get a new camera. Oh my God!
Oh my God!
Obsession ko yung cameras ngayon. Ewan ko ba, bigla-bigla na lang na... Ay, actually, hindi. Bumili kasi si ate ng Insta360 Ace Pro. Gandang-ganda ako. And guys, some of you know that I vlog years and years ago. Pandemic era. Yes, di ba? Nagkaroon ng phase na parang lahat yayaman sa YouTube. O, sige. Ako, nag-giveaway ako. Nagbigay ako ng makeup. Nagbigay ako ng ring light para lang sa mga subscribers. Tsa! Well, life got caught up and nawalan ako ng time. So, ayun.
Okay.
The last time that I vlogged was back when I was a student pa. And 2 years na ako working ngayon. So, ayun guys. Working na tayo ngayon. Diba? Ngayon, ginagamit ko lang aking phone because broke tayo. Wala pa tayong pabiling camera. And I've been eyeing to buy it's either, parang may options. It's either the same camera that my sister bought, which is the Insta360 Ace Pro, or the DJI Nano ba yun? DJI Nano? Or basta, the one with the Nano. Yung maliit, yung nadidikit sa lahat. So, I think it would be perfect for me, for someone na hindi gusto yung madami dala. Since day one naman natin ngayon, let me introduce myself. I am Dion Plessy. Pira na ba? Full name, ano to? Passport? So, ayun guys. Wala, bigla ko na lang kasi nakita yung mic. Actually, hindi nakita. I remember that I have and bought a mic for vlogging purposes and I never have done it. Ko siya nagawa since nabili ko tong mic. So, let's see. So, guys, follow niyo naman ako. Parang, kaya madami akong followers dito sa TikTok na to. It's been my business TikTok account years ago. Nung hindi pa uso yung mga FDA-approved na cosmetic. Char! Guys, feeling ko natutulog. Gusto ko rin naman ng engagement, diba? Baka dito na tayo maging milyonaryo, guys.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Char! Ano ba? I like pink. And some of you might know me. And di ba nagkaroon sa TikTok ng mga trend na gagawa ka ng sarili mong verse to someone's song? I did it and it went viral. I did a verse to Have Abby's Babaero. You can watch it. It's pinned on my profile, but ay, gusto ko na ulit maging viral. Tsa! Ano maging viral ngayon kung hindi dapat skandalosa ka or simple tao lang ako. Bahay, trabaho, bahay ni TJ lang ako, guys. So, I think vlogging would be hard for me kasi hindi man interesting yung buhay ko. So, see you on my next video, guys. Wala lang, ano lang to, teaser. Pause na ako, walang electric. Walang electric fan, guys. Pause na ako. So,